Cleaning of glass before coating AVKOTE GP. It is essential that the AVKOTE Glass Cleaner is used with 100% lint-free cleaning cloths and appropriate PP equipment. Under no circumstances are man-made cloths or wipes, such as the blue cleaning roll shown here, to be used, as they dry out too quickly and the cleaning is not completed thoroughly, which can cause adhesion problems. Saturate the cloth with glass cleaner so it is soaked through. Then thoroughly clean the whole glass surface, turning the cloth occasionally. If you use a spray bottle to put the cleaner onto the glass, it is essential that you still soak the cloth, as a dry cloth can lead to missed areas. The first three pictures show a cross-hatch test done on 1, 2 and 3 coats of paint where the glass has been cleaned using 100% lint-free cloth and give a GTO result, i.e. no coating coming off. The next three pictures show 1, 2 and 3 coats of paint where a man-made cloth was used, and the cross-hatch test shows a GT3-4 where most of the coating is coming off. This shows the difference between cleaning as per our recommendations and not cleaning properly. It is not difficult to do, but makes a huge difference to the end product. It is important to spend the time cleaning, ensuring the correct process is followed and all areas are thoroughly covered.